Hi, this is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker, and today we're going to be looking at Road to Bestseller. This is actually my new course that I just came out with. It's got tons of modules on how to easily and consistently become a best-selling author and be able to repeat the process over and over and over. It shows you two ways to become a bestseller, a new bestseller, and a long-term bestseller, and then how to be able to make your money consistently and be able to profit easily. Some ways being able to have 90% of the work done for you. Now, this is something that if you want to check out, you want to check out as soon as possible because the price does go up with every single sale. We do have an overview of what is inside here. I have been a 3-time bestseller. Plus, a lot of the things that I have learned have been from other bestsellers as well. So, you know, it's easy. And they say that everyone has at least one best-selling story inside them. But I also show you ways how to be able to become an author for affiliate marketing, how to be able to become an author, to be able to create your, printed business card where people are not going to throw it away. Very, very, very important stuff. So let's go ahead and dive into the bump offer. So inside the bump offer, we've got a couple of things to do after you become a bestseller. This is a one-time offer that is on the front end below the main offer. And so what do you do after the first 90 days are up for exclusivity? And 3 ways to distribute to the 52 new profit sources. Plus, I show you 6 other ways to be able to get by the exclusivity and be able to profit and make bigger commissions and dollars for your book with staying inside of the terms of service. Now, inside of the main training, we've got tons and tons of information in here. So I show you how to do your beginning keyword research. I show you how to be able to take that research and whether you are going to write it manually, write it by voice, or write it with AI, or completely have AI write it, to be able to do a research output file that contains all of your top competitors and all the information that those competitors are showing so that you can make a better, more intricate book that outranks all the rest. Plus, we also show you how to be able to find the categories where you only need to have like 1 to 5 sales a day to be able to become a best-selling author. And it gives you the ability to rank as a bestseller and stay as a bestseller. So super important information there. We show you your book, AI-assisted writing your book, or completely get your AI book written for you. We show you how to quickly upload your book to Amazon KDP and how to repeat it on every single book that you do. We show you how to claim your bestseller status. We show you some tips on how to get 10% higher conversions for organic and ads. And then there's a secret to get 40 to 50% more overall book sales so that you can increase your sales for every single person who lands on your posting. We show you how to find influencers quick to be able to get them to do free video reviews and flip-throughs for your book. We show you different ways to get paid for free while promoting your book. We show how to get lots and lots of free downloads and reviews when you first publish your book, which is super important for ranking and longevity of ranking. We show you how to get done-for-you book promotions done. We have how to create promo templates, and we also have a Canva template down here that you can download that I created that you can use for your promos as well. We show you how to automate your group posts as well as how to get them approved inside of them. We show you how to go ahead and drip feed your instant promo content with mock-ups for your book. We also show you how to create quick social media posting variations so you don't get flagged by Twitter or other social platforms when you're posting every single day or multiple times per day for your book promotion. We have in here to run low micro ads. This is my favorite guy that does it. We show you how to steal your competitors' keywords and ads. Now, this one here is super powerful. So these 2 things right here show you how to be able to get keywords that nobody is looking at, and how to find keywords exactly what your competitors are running on ads and exactly what you need to pay to be able to rank #1. Super powerful right here. So that is the main course. And if you see here, people are loving it already. Let me move my big head out of the way. And you see right here, we are already number 8 for the day. So number 8 for the day. It flew out of the gates onto the leaderboard, and there's probably 100 different offers that launched today. We're already number 8 for the day. People are loving it, and remember, it goes up every single sale. So if you're going to get it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later.